What's up? What's good? Everybody in the car? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. So we doing a burping challenge. Like
Part
last
2.
time. Part 2. But this time we're using Sprite. As you can see in the beginning of the video. Or after stopping in the beginning of the video or after the video before this intro. Which one?
Huh?
Never mind, I'm just gonna do it after. Anyways, here's a preview of our drinks. Here's the drinks. Alright, we're back. Now we finna start the challenge. Finna make it react, see both of us. Don't mind the background, we just... okay. Alright. Okay. Don't mind that background either. He's cooking. Alright, anyways. 1, 2, 3, go.
Don't burp in my face. Do not burp in my face. That's nasty.
Oh, that was a small burp. That made me dumb.
I made you. I scared you.
I was like,
I scared you.
yeah.
Now my stomach hurts a little bit. I'm drinking so fast. Like I said before, I can make myself burp without even drinking. Yeah, it's better.
Damn.
Jesse Bowers on videos.
It's in the Bible.
I can't say it
It's
though.
in the Bible.
I'm talking about for YouTube. They don't like it when you say.
You don't know what YouTube like.
I watch the YouTubers. Of course, I have my own YouTube also. But, yeah. Oh. How long am I do this for? Because I'm on my energy drink.
Then
back.
whenever we're done with this cup, with these cups,
You're having mine.
I'm good. No,
I want to show them mine.
No, they
My
don't want
energy.
to see your energy drink.
Yes, they do.
No, they
I don't want this. My stomach's starting to hurt. I'm done with that. I can
Drink it.
Don't spit it out.
You sure it'll make you burp?
Huh?
You sure it'll make you burp?
Mm-hmm.
If you don't burp in 2 seconds, I'm taking it away.
I meant to burp all the time. It's energy drink. It's Mountain Dew Kickstart. It's like Sprite, but with energy kick. With a kickstart. One day maybe I'll get Red Bull so I can get my wings. They say Red Bull makes you get your wings. Just pour mine out. Dang. So much.
You have no idea what Sprite does without technicals. I meant tentacles.
You're what?
Hmm?
You're what? Technicals?
Tentacles.
We have tentacles?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me to your stomach.
Tentacles.
Where are our tentacles? Abdomen?
What?
To your abdomen.
What is that?
Abdominal muscles.
What's a muscle?
With a muscle?
Yeah.
You don't like mussels?
I'm just
Mm. But our muscles are right here in our abdomen. Manny, can I talk about how... Ow. Why you hitting me? What? Don't put me on there. I look tired. That's why I have energy drink. I'm tired. What have you done now?
Okay, so I finished my drink, so that means y'all don't have to suffer no more here in the Burps.
Excuse me.
Never mind, y'all had to hear one last bit. I hope. Okay, anyways.
I can't hear more than.
Stay tuned for more YouTube videos. Just comment what I should do more on, and when I post this on Instagram.
Like, subscribe. Push the like button. Push the subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell.
She said it for me while I was burping up a storm. Anyways, yeah. Bye.